In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a shared family vault in Amazon Photos, sometimes called Family Vault or Family Folder. Note, some steps are via the web. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon Photos. If you use a country-specific Amazon site, that works too. Sign in with your Amazon account and make sure you're using the account with an active Prime membership if you plan to create the vault. Only the Prime account holder or someone with the shared photo benefit on that account can create the Family Vault. Once you're signed in, look to the left side menu and click Family Vault. If you don't see it right away, it may appear under Photos Features or a similar section, and naming can vary slightly by region. Next, you'll invite your family members. In the Family Vault area, select Invite or Invite Others. Enter the email address or phone number for each person you want to join. They'll receive an invitation, and once they accept it, they're added to your vault. You can invite up to 5 additional people, for a total of 6 members including you. A quick tip: send invites to addresses they check often, and if they don't see it, ask them to look in spam or promotions folders. Members can join even if they don't have Prime. After they accept, each person gets their own Amazon Photos account. If your vault is attached to a Prime membership, those members also get the benefit of unlimited photo storage for photos they keep in Amazon Photos, which makes it easy for everyone to contribute and preserve family memories without constantly watching storage limits. To upload to the Family Vault from the web, select the photos you want to share and look for the option to add them to Family Vault. Depending on your interface, this may appear in a menu or an Add To option. If you don't see it, make sure you're viewing Amazon Photos on the web and that Family Vault is enabled on the Prime account. As the vault owner, you control who is in the vault. You can manage membership at any time from the Family Vault settings. Every member can add their own photos and videos to the vault, and they can view what others have shared. Keep in mind that anything added becomes part of the shared archive, so it's best to upload only what you're comfortable sharing with all members. With that, you're set to create, invite, upload, and manage your Family Vault with confidence.